are you this morning, boys and girls? I'm so excited to be with you. Boys and girls, have you got your whiteboard marker, your time to read workbook, your handwriting book and the app? Let's start by reading some of the sounds we've learned so far. O in horse, ow in mouse, th or th, u or u, a at the end of words, e, that's funny e, and the words are said, air, chair. A in the middle of words, like in snail. E, mostly in the middle of words, E in sheep. R in shark. E, mostly in the middle of words, like in seal. A in the middle of words, like in snake. Ow in cow. Ch, sh. Now, boys and girls, I want us to read some of the words with the E sounds that we've learned so far, boys and girls. Put your ruler somewhere in the middle and please read them across. Are you ready for 1 minute? Go. Please continue reading. You can read them sound by sound or as whole words. Good show. Please get your whiteboard and whiteboard marker ready to play sound swap. Please remember to write your letters nice and big and leave good spaces between them. The first word I want you to write is shop. Sh, a, p. Now change shop to sharp. Sh, r, p. Yes, we're going to use the R in shark. Change sharp to sheep. Sheep. And of course, we're going to use the E in sheep. Please change sheep to sheet. Good show. Now change sheet to short. ought. That's the O in horse. Next, change short to shout. Shout. Please use the ow in mouse. Next, please change the shout to pout. Pout. Can you remember what that means? To be grumpy. Now change pout to part. Art. Yes, the R in shark. Please change part to park. Yes, we use kicking king at the end of the word. Now change park to peak, the top of a mountain, the mountain peak. And for this, we use the E in seal. Lastly, please change peak to beak. Good show, boys and girls. Please clean your whiteboard and get your listening ears ready. Now close your eyes and listen to the following words. He, she, we. Boys and girls, I'm sure you've heard the E sound, but now as you say them with me, listen where you hear that E sound. He, she, we. That's right, at the end of a word. Now, boys and girls, today I want to show you something that only happens in a very few words. Let's use the magic 4. Please say the word he and sound it out. H, E, only 2 sounds. Code it using sound dots. H, E. Please write the H sound, boys and girls. Now the E, boys and girls, will only have 1 letter. The E in these words has no friend. It only has 1 letter. So the dot stays a dot. Boys and girls, let's please read it. H, E, he. Let's build she. Please sound it out. She. Code it using dots and lines. Sh, E. Now write it. Sh, E. And please read it. Sh, E, she. Boys and girls, please build the word we using the magic 4. Sound it out. Code it using dots and lines. Write it. Check if your word looks like mine. And read it. Now please build me. Sound it out. Code it using dots and lines. Write it. Look if your word looks like mine. And read it. The last word is be, to be happy. Sound it out. Code it. Write it. Now, boys and girls, let's read the words together. We, we. Me, me. Be, be. Boys and girls, I want you to remember these 5 words. He, she, we, me, and be. Boys and girls, that E sound is written with only one single letter. Here you can see them on page 90 in your word list. Let's read them together. H, E, he. M, E, me. W, E, we. Sh, E, she. B, E, be. Now let's read them word by word. He, me, we, she, and be. Please continue paging to page 93. Boys and girls, there you will have to choose in the sentence whether you'll be writing is or are. What's the clue? We use is if there is one person, one animal, or one thing. We use are if there's more than one. As always, boys and girls, please remember your line sounds to read them as one sound. Boys and girls, in your handwriting book on page 43, you can do this page. When you log into the Time to Read app, choose any one of the E sound, build more words, play any other activities, and please read your reader. So today, boys and girls, we learned to read and write the E sound at the end of the 5 words, he, we, me, be, and she. Now we can read these words in sentences as well. I'm looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Have a wonderful afternoon. Bye-bye.